Adjusting the graphics settings in Baldur's Gate 3 can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visuals. Follow these simple steps to configure your settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Baldur's Gate 3 on your computer. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access the Options menu. From the main menu, look for the Options button. Click on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust various game settings. Step 3. Navigate to Graphics Settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Graphics tab. This section contains all the settings related to visual quality and performance. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. You will see a slider or preset options for graphics quality. Choose a setting that balances visual fidelity and performance based on your system's capabilities. High settings provide better visuals but may reduce performance on lower-end systems. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After adjusting your settings, look for a button to save or apply the changes. Click it to ensure your new graphics settings take effect. Then return to the main menu to start your game with the updated settings. By following these steps, you can easily customize the graphics settings in Baldur's Gate 3 to suit your preferences and hardware. Enjoy your adventure in the game.